Hey, welcome back to our channel.
I'm PJ.
And I'm Alice. And today we have another video. It's going to be a very different video, which PJ is going to try some Mexican food that she never had before, and we will see the reaction. Are you ready?
Given some of the things on the list, not really, but let's go.
So for this video, we're gonna go to the streets and get the food. So join us and go. Okay. And I think this is gonna be awesome today. So let's see how it goes. Vamos para allá.
Did you tell them that there's a big surprise at the end?
Not yet. So okay guys, we're ready. We're ready to start our trip. Okay. So see you guys in a bit. Okay, you guys, we're here. We already ordered the food, and the first thing that we're gonna say, no, 96. So we're gonna try. This is the sope, and
what is it?
it's very delicious food. I think Mexicans know about this. This is cabeza, and this
Meat,
is
meat is cabeza of the cow. The cow head.
This is pastor. So let's see how it's reaction.
Oh my gosh, it's so hard to pick up. Okay. I'm good. It tastes kind of like a shalupa from Taco Bell, but like laid out flat. But like the thickness of the tortilla thing, what is it made of? Masa? Totally can't
The flour, yeah. It's made by flour, but yeah. Oh.
So this one's good. I like this one.
Yeah, so far so good?
So far so good?
I like it, okay. Okay, you guys, we already are in another store, another restaurant, and we order now menudo and chimichangas.
And what is menudo?
Ooh.
It's like a soup with meat of cow stomach.
So cabeza was like the brain of the cow. Now it's made
So we went from eating the head to the stomach, or the brain to the stomach. Yeah.
So we'll see how it tastes. I mean, I already tasted, but let's see the correction. Okay, guys, we already ordered our food, which is menudo, right here.
So this is cow stomach.
Yeah. So how you gonna try that?
It came with all these fixings to put in it, though.
Oh yeah, it comes with cilantro, lime.
Maybe like a basil type thing.
Yeah, and onion.
Cebolla, onion, and chilies, which I don't think I'll use because.
And it will taste very delicious. And also, she's gonna try the
So I'm gonna
chimichanga.
Oh yeah, also the chimichanga, and I know these are a little more common, but I've never tried it before.
Yeah,
Just never happened.
let's see.
So I'm gonna prep my menudo and then we'll be right back. Alright, so first we're gonna do the menudo, and I'm gonna see if I can try to pick up a piece so you can see kind of what I'm looking at here. Very fat looking meat, I'd say. I'm gonna try to show you, get the drops. Stop dropping. Put it over this. So that's kind of what it looks like. Yeah, a very kind of fat piece of meat. I'm gonna blow on it a little bit, just because it's kind of hot. Like a temperature hot, not a spicy hot. flavor is good. The texture is a little odd. It's like really squishy and soft. So, I don't know, I have to get past the texture, but the flavor is good.
Yeah, so after that she tried the menudo. I think you like it?
Kind of. I like the flavor of the soup and the flavor of the meat, the cow stomach meat, but the texture of it is super squishy. It's like pure fat. So you have to like really get used to that texture.
Okay, I mean you made it. And now she's gonna try the chimichanga.
Okay.
I think she will like this. Okay.
Yeah. It's basically a fried burrito, so I've had a burrito before, just not a fried one. Okay, and what did you order for inside? Ooh, it's steaming.
Carne asada.
Carne asada. Okay. I see beans and such. Okay.
It's more kind of like burrito.
Right off the bat, I like kind of the crunchiness of the fried tortilla instead of like a soft tortilla. So I like that. And then the inside is just your typical meat and baked cheese and yeah, not sure what else, rice maybe. So you know, that's nothing too unusual, but yeah, I think I like this. Like it's more than just a soft tortilla. It has a little crunch to it.
Okay. Okay, you guys, I think we had fun. We tried those things.
Now we have two more things.
We have two more things that we want to try, and
The last one's the craziest.
yeah, so the last one is gonna be the crazy one, but we'll see. We're on it. Okay, the next one, we are in the car because there's no too much places where to sit there out there, so we came and we get a skite.
Skite. So I guess it's corn with mayonnaise, cotija, which is a popular cheese in Mexico, Valentina, and tahini.
Yeah. So yeah, that's it. And let's see how it.
Yeah. Okay. It's good. It's probably I'd say it tastes good. There's just a lot of flavors going on, so I'd probably take away like one thing. Just make it a little less busy. But otherwise I like it.
I mean, she's surviving, so we'll see.
Yeah, I'm
And
getting
the
full
next
from
one.
all the food, but
Yeah. So we'll see with the last one what she will think about it. Okay. Hey guys, and now we're back. We're home because the last food we have it here at home. Because
I bought it a couple days ago at a market, and I'll tell you, it's the craziest one, unless you think cow stomach's crazier. But we'll see.
yeah, we'll see. And for the last one, we have grasshoppers. Okay.
They're falling on the
That's okay. We have grasshoppers, which is very, I mean, popular in Mexico, especially in my state, Oaxaca. And all my people that is from Oaxaca, I mean, will love this. And but specific for Americans, it's kind of like, oh, crickets. They're not crickets. These are grasshoppers. And yeah, we'll see. It tastes pretty good. Okay, you can taste it. And I mean, yeah, it tastes delicious.
Okay. Well, let's put the container down. And how about you remove the legs from one?
This one has no legs.
I prefer one without. There's a string thing coming off. Oh my gosh.
I mean, it's not alive.
I don't want to touch it.
Okay.
Okay. I have my water here. I'm really scared about this one. Okay.
Just eat it, like taste it. It's like
I'm trying to imagine like getting the stuff stuck in my
crunchy.
teeth.
no.
Okay, there it is. Oh my god. Okay, the dog is on my side. He's saying no. Okay. Well, let me lick it first. Okay. Interesting. I'm trying, you guys. Okay.
Taste it.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay. It doesn't taste terrible.
And do it.
It's the texture for sure, and the menthol. Otherwise, it tastes just like, I don't know, a snack. Like, I mean, like a nut or
Kind of
something.
crunchy.
Yeah, crunchy. Probably will not do this again.
So, what about you? Like it, or what do you think?
I like the seasonings on it.
I mean, that's why think we Mexicans would like it because the seasoning. Like,
I like can't get
garlic
myself to
and-
swallow it at all.
oh my goodness. Anyways, this is so delicious for us.
Okay,
Okay.
it's in my throat now.
Oh my goodness. I
Okay.
think this. How many? Like 5?
That was 5 foods that I've never
different
had
foods
before.
that she never had before. And ¿cómo estuvo tu experiencia probando nueva comida?
So my experience, it was kind of fun because here in the United States, when we have Mexican food, we only really think about tacos, burritos, which weren't even from Mexico. They were like tacos, and then someone in the United States or somewhere else decided to fold them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, here in the United States, we're all about tacos and burritos being Mexican food, and so it's fun to try other things that aren't like just tacos or even enchiladas or something. Probably my favorite thing today was the sope.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, because I like the texture of the masa kind of, and then the stuff on top. It was kind of like having a pupusa, a Salvadoran pupusa, except the stuff's on top of the kind of the masa. My least favorite, I don't know. The chapulines tasted okay, except both the chapulines and the menudo tasted okay, except the textures.
Okay.
Yeah. The menudo tasted pretty good, just it was so squishy and odd to me. And the chapulines, you know, you're eating a grasshopper. I would like to point out that if you want to be weird for your diet, this whole box apparently is only 20 calories. So, if you need a diet snack and you're not afraid to try new things, go for the chapulines.
Yeah, it has a lot of protein, I think.
Protein.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's a good source of food, of protein. Yeah, well, this is it. That's it, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a good experience for
Yeah.
you.
And I think in the future we might do the same thing with specifically drinks, specifically desserts, and specifically like kind of Mexican like snacks you'd buy at the store.
Or just if you have ideas, just let us know. Let us know some of the ideas that you think we can do, like for the part 2 if you want,
Yeah.
and we'll think about it.
So leave a comment down below if you have an idea. Also, if you like enjoy seeing this content and watching us do these crazy things, then please give a thumbs up. Subscribe and share the video so other people can see it. Alright, so thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Nos vemos and see you soon.